Hi, this is Scott Nido with Fairway Exteriors. We do a lot of windows in Fairway, Kansas. And so a lot of old homes, a lot of homes built in the 40s and 50s, original single pane windows. These homeowners have a real problem. We got 3 inches of snow outside. It's February's just starting. Summer's a big thing here too with heat loss. So all these homes weren't built necessarily great for energy efficiency. So in Fairway, we do a ton of Marvin Essential and Marvin Elevate fiberglass windows. It fits really well for the Fairway architecture. So a lot of homeowners have a lot of grids on their windows. They have white windows, a lot of grids. They want to see, touch, and feel those STL grids. They want the warmth and character of wood. They want some highly energy efficient. And so we do a ton of replacement windows. We do some full tear windows too, where we're removing an entire frame. We're doing new interior trim, we're painting. A lot of times homeowners want to make sure we get all the wood rot in Fairway because there's so much wood. And so at Fairway Exteriors, we do a ton of Marvin windows in Fairway, Kansas.